So now let's see how we can work around with translating of contents inside of ChatGPT. So to do that, I can go around onto Explore GPT's section right here, and then I'm going to go around over here and type in Translate right here, just like this. So once I go around over here, you can see that Translate GPT is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here and click on Start Chat just like this, then it opens up Translate GPT, as you can see right here, just like this. So now I can go around and copy out, let's say for example, or type in any content right here. So let's say for example, I'm going to copy out this content, and I'm going to go around and say translate this content into French right here, just like this, and I'm going to go around and paste this out. So once I go around, you can see that it easily translates it out into French right here, just like this. And that is what Translate GPT does. It is specialized in translating the content into another language. So I can simply go around and say now translate it into Chinese right here, just like this, and then it'll translate it out into Chinese language, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the Translate GPT plugin inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.